Hi everyone, your friend Nirazin here. In this module, Platform Developer Certification for Winter 26 Maintenance 1, I'll be doing the quiz for this one, and in the next module, I will be explaining the hands-on challenge for this. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next unit too. Make sure to complete this one, as if you have completed Platform Developer 1 certification, and if you not complete this maintenance, so if you not complete this maintenance, your certification will go away. So try to complete this one. So in module 2, in unit 2 of gets hands-on by running apex test and flow test together. Earlier we used to track separate apex and flow test. That is a big hurdle for us. Now we can see them all in one place. The new test discovery API gives us the single view of every apex and automated flow test that runs in our org. So we use the updated test runner API to execute both types of test in the same run. So we'll see how what is there in the hands-on. First, if you don't know how to create a playground, you can just click on the three dot and create the playground. Click on this button and then it will create a playground for your hands-on. I have created this one just now. Now you have to just launch it. When you launch it, you will get this playground starter UI. You just have to copy the package name and then install, and it asks us to install for admins only. So this is the package. It is the package which we are going to use. This package basically means to handle this test runner things and the discovery API. Now when it gets installs, it will install all the related things for that API call and to show everything in the so installation is done. Now we'll move to the next segment. Now we have to create a flow. We just search flow. Now we can see that this 1131 Salesforce, we have installed this test thing. We'll open our flows. We'll click on the flows and new flow. We're asking for the record trigger flow. We have to create a record trigger flow so that we can it is an account object. When a record is created or updated, set it in the condition none. Define the condition, optimize flow, action and related records, and add instance path to off. Toggle off. Now I have to add an element. Update triggering record, I guess. Update triggering records and give it the name as this one. How to find records to update and set their value. Use the account record. Use the account record that trigger the flow. Use the account record that trigger the flow, and if there we have to set the previous known always. It's just a simple flow to test this test runner thing. Now we'll go for the field value update. We'll update the description, account description field with the new description by triggering this flow. We'll click on the search account description, and here we have to create a new resource, and the new resource text template, and then give the API name as default description. Inside the description, view as a plain text and paste it there. View as a plain text and then paste this one. We have attached, we are updating the account description field with this description and done. Now save the flow as account update flow. After saving, we will test this and see how this test is showing all those test methods. Now we have to save and activate this flow once activated. Now we'll set up a test for the flow. Now before testing, we have to set some testing parameters. Now we'll create those parameters in view test thing. Now we'll create this one. We have to give a label. Now we'll label it as a text account update description field, and we're getting the test for the flow. Now same, run the test when the record is created. We have to give when the record is created, run immediately. It is fine. Now click the set initial record trigger tab. In the account name field, you need to scroll down to find the field enter account with the flow. Now we have to find the name of the account and we have to update with this as account with the flow, and rest all we can ignore. And then we'll set the assertion. Like to test the flow, we have to set some conditions or the failure message after each assertions, right? How it work in writing the apex test and all. So we'll write failure and test. So in assertion, we'll choose the account description, and if it is null, then the value will be false, right? So we'll choose triggering account, and from there we will choose description, and if it is null and false, then it will. So we'll save this one. After that, we'll run it and verify the test. Now we'll navigate to the setup and we'll open the developer console, and in the developer console we'll run this in execute anonymous window. Now go to this open execute anonymous window and then paste this one. Run test using tooling API, and then run asynchronous test with tooling API. We'll paste it and then we'll execute. So it got success. See, you can see here. Open the test is this one. Updates, run test using tooling API. Now we'll see the text execution result in application test execution, flow testing account update. Okay, test method pass. Now what you want to run, flow account data test. We'll run this one and see. So to check the test result, you can view the test history from here, and you can see our test account update test one flow got succeeded, right? Here is the flow we have updated, right? So this got passed and it is working fine. So this is the new update from the Salesforce, and after verifying the sense, now we can verify whether we got succeeded or not. Yeah, we have successfully completed this badge and it's very helpful. That's all. Thank you. Also do follow, like, share, subscribe for more future updates. Thank you.